Hi guys, welcome to Native Kitchen. Today we'll be making another delicious soup. All right, we're gonna make okra soup with ogbono. You can also make okra soup without ogbono, but today I'm using ogbono. All right, let's dash into the ingredients we'll be using to prepare this delicious soup. Okay, I have my chopped onions, beautiful. Okay, I have my seasoning cubes. I have my salt here. I have my palm oil, so beautiful. I have my fresh pepper. I have my pomo just to garnish the soup. I have my ogbono. Here is it, well blended already. I have my azusa leaf. You can as well use pumpkin leaf for this, okay? But I'll be using azusa today. Okay, I have my crayfish. I have my beef, protein number one. I have my goat meat. I love goat meat. Protein number two. Back again with this fish. Remember? Okay, this fish I'll be using it to garnish the soup too. Then I have my okra. I'm going to chop this into a very nice shape. Then we'll go into the main cooking of this delicious soup. All right, sit back and let's do this together. All right, guys, we're going to chop azusa leaf. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'll be chopping this. Okay. Let's chop, 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 chop. All right, that's all. Okay. I'll keep this aside. All right. Next is my okra. I'll chop this. I'm gonna use the cube shape. Make it cube like shape. Most persons do it round. Just like I said earlier, we tend to like things differently. This is how I like it. Most persons use grater to grate this, but I don't really like that. You can see? Well chopped. This meal is going to taste so nice. So delicious. Okra soup. All right, guys, we'll be going into marinating, steaming, and cooking our proteins that we'll be using for this soup. So I'll go in with my goat meat. I'll go in with my beef. I'll go with my fish. Then I'll pour in my pomo. I'll go with my fresh pepper. I'll go with my diced onions. I wouldn't put all of this. I'll keep some of it aside, so I'll use it for the main soup. I'll go with my salt. Then I'll go with my seasoning cubes. Okay. Then with my spatula, I'll give this a turn. I'll stir this. Okay. And properly stir this. Stir it properly. Okay. Okay, I've done that properly. So I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes for it to marinate. Then we'll go into steaming. All right, guys. In 10 minutes time, we'll be back. All right, guys. We've marinated this for 10 minutes. We're going to steam this for 5 to 10 minutes. Then after we add water to this protein and then we cook. All right, cover my pot, put on my gas and we steam. All right, 5 minutes later, I'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. Whoa, okay. We'll add water into this pot. Then we stir this. Allow this to cook for just 5 minutes. Then we'll be back. This is what it looks like. Our meat is soft and every other protein is soft. So we're going to start making this delicious soup. Okay. First of all, I'll go in with my crayfish. And with that, and I'll give it a stir. Oh, okay. Hmm. It's tasting nice already. So delicious. Okay. All right. Going with our ogbono. Allow this for a while before I add my oil. Okay. I'll go with my oil. Clean this up. Have you seen your ogbono is making it slimy already? Allow this to cook. Okay, few minutes, 2 minutes later, I'll go with my okra. Pour everything inside. Now stir this. I'm not going to cook this for long. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Ooh. I like cleaning my pots. Oh, clean it. Oh, okay. And I'll put in this onions, remember? Left it. And one more thing. Huh. I came across something in my freezer. So I said I must introduce this. I didn't introduce it at the beginning of this video. Okay, here is it. Oh, these periwinkles. Okay, I brought that in. If you have any, you can use it. But it's optional. If you don't like it, then you don't have to use it. Okay. Then one more thing you would love to put in it, cross soup. If you have shrimps, you can use it. Any seafood you have, you can introduce it to your pot of soup. Okay. All right. I don't like too much oil in my okra soup. You can see this is very normal for me. So I'm going with my leaf. This is a leaf. As far as cooking is concerned, this soup is ready. Okay, I'm done. I don't like overcooking my okra. Uh-huh. So fresh. We'll leave this for just 1 to 2 minutes and then our soup is ready. As I said earlier, I don't like too much oil in my okra soup. But if you know you love oil, you can pour it inside, make it reddish. But for me, this is okay. All right, guys. Here is our pot of soup. Our okra soup is here. And then let's go into testing this delicious soup. All right, guys. See you in few seconds. All right, guys. Here is our soup. Ooh. Can you see this already? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is so beautiful and very delicious at that. Okay, we'll be diving into testing this delicious soup. There is no cooking without testing. That is the best part ever. Okay, let's test. Ooh. Oh my God. Mm, mm, so good. Mm. And don't forget, you have to click on the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, see you in our next video. Bye.